August 2020. This is the first real play time without a smackdown by Lindsay dog and Lexi dog. He's a real ankle biter, and if he goes after the dogs, they'll smack him. So, see? Lindsay's just showing the nose, and now he's yielding. Right? Who let the dogs out? Thomas. 5th of August, around 8 o'clock, 2020, Lindsay dog. Right? Yes. And look at Lexi dog, twice the weight. Oh, look at the paw. Look at the paw. Is that a strike? Was that a strike, Lex? Oh. Oh, hopefully no hurts. Look at that, Lindsay. Not a threat now, is he? Huh? Ankle biter. Thomas. Look. Who's that, Lex? No longer afraid. Tuning the pup up. Right? Tuning the baby up. Oh, yes. And then Lindsay snarls there. Gotta get. Oh, there's Lex with the paw. He can bowl him right over. Right, Lex? And Lindsay. The two of them are manhandling a half-pound dog. Look at this. Very good, Lindsay. First play session we've ever seen since the 24th. Keaton dog passed by, and then Friday, and then this one came in on the Wednesday. Oh! Right? You let the dogs out, Thomas. Oh, there he's at the water. Before he put his lips, he climbed up on the bowl because he was too small. In the last week, he's grown maybe a 1/4 inch on the feet. There he is.